Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss chapter 2, that is fractions and decimals. Here, how well have you learned about fractions? A proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of a whole. For example, if we draw a figure like this, like this, like this, and if the parts are equal, suppose 1, 2, 3. You have to remember that in fractions, this part will be same. This part, and this part will be same, right? If we take, suppose this is colored or shading, then the fraction will be 1 by 1 colored and total is 1, 2, 3, that is 1 by third part, right? If I take 2, then it is 2 by 3. If I take 3, 3 by 3, that means the whole or 1, right? Now, a proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of a whole. Is 7 by 4 a proper fraction? 7 by 4 a proper fraction? Which is bigger? And an improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction, right? That is improper fraction. That is 7 by 4. It is an improper fraction, right? And proper fraction is, suppose 1 by 5. This is a proper fraction. But 7 by 4 is an improper fraction, right? If the denominator is greater, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is improper fractions, and if the numerator is less than the denominator, it is proper fractions, right? So 1 by 3 is a proper fraction, but 7 by 4, it is an improper fraction, right? The improper fraction 7 by 4 can be written as 1 whole 3 by 4. This is mixed fraction, right? We have found that this is mixed fraction. Now, there is another thing, that is equivalent fractions. What is that equivalent fraction? You see, equivalent fractions. How can you define equivalent fraction? For example, suppose this is a part like this. Suppose this one I have drawn, and if it is divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now, if I take this one, this is same part, and if we take half of that, and if we set this one, it will be 1 by 2. What is the value of this one? If you say that you have taken 2 part, that is, it is 2 by 4, 2 by 4, right? And it is also, if we change into lowest term, that is 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. Here also 2 by 4 means half of the that, right? It is also half, it is also half. These are equivalent fractions. These are known as equivalent fractions, right? Equivalent fractions can be found out either by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, or by dividing the numerator and denominator by same number, right? That is equivalent fractions. Now we shall deal with different fractions, right? Here these are some questions, right? Now we'll solve the various problems in the exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.